Good morning, student. Today in class 5 history, we will be discussing about longitude and time. That is how to find time. The sun is the best timekeeper throughout the world. During the ancient time, when we did not have watch or clock, at that time, by seeing the sun's position in the sky, people used to find the time. Now also, by looking at the position of the sun, you come to know whether it is morning or noon or afternoon or evening. Okay, so you can see. So sun is the best timekeeper throughout the world. So time is measured on the basis of the relationship between the sun and the movement of the earth. Okay, we know that the earth revolves around the sun, and also it rotates. The earth also rotates on its axis, and one rotation takes place in 24 hours. In this 24 hour, we see that how different places of earth directly come under the sun. You can take an example, take a ball like a football, and in one hand you can take a torch, the torch light, and during the night time when it is dark, you just lit on the torch, switch it on, and then focus the light on the ball. You can see that the half of the ball will be lighted, and the half of the ball other side behind will be dark. Okay, so the lighted the ball which is receiving the sun ray will tell you the day, and the dark side of the ball will refer to the night time. And if you rotate the ball slowly, then you will see that slowly the night portion, the dark portion will come under the light, and the lighted portion will go in the dark side. So this is how we will see the relationship between the sun and the movement of the earth. Since the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, okay, that is in 24 hour it completely rotate, make one full rotation. It passes through 15 degree in 1 hour. We know that 360 degree. Okay, let's take this example over here. This is the earth and this is the prime meridian. So in 24 hour what will happen, this prime, if it rotates in this direction, suppose it is rotating in this direction, so this prime meridian will move like this. Okay, after 24 hour where it will become, it will come back to its this position after 24 hours. This is called one rotation. Okay, so in one rotation we are seeing that this is a spherical shape, the earth is a spherical shape, so 360 degrees are there. Okay, 360 longitudes are there, or 360 degrees are there. So it 360 degree is rotated in 24 hours. Therefore in 1 hour how many degree it will rotate? We will divide 360 by 24. So we will get 15 degree. That means in 1 hour it will rotate 15 degree. You can see this is 15 degree. Okay, suppose the sun is directly overhead on line prime meridian, this blue line. So after 1 hour what will happen? The prime meridian will come over here. Okay, and this 15 degree will come over here. Are you understanding? It is if it will rotate like this, if it will rotates like this. So after 1 hour this line will go here, and this line will come over here. Okay, if it is rotates. So 15, it passes through 15 degree in 1 hour, or 1 degree in 4 minutes. And if we want to find in minute, then we will divide 15 degree by 60. So we will get 1 degree in 4 minutes. The earth rotates from west to east. So every 15 degree we go eastward, the local time is advanced by 1 hour, and if we go westward, local time will be behind by 1 hour. Okay, so that is east and west. Okay, this side is east, this side is west. If we go this side, then we'll be behind. Okay, we will be behind, and if we go this side towards the west, Okay, just a minute. Okay, so the local time is advanced by 1 hour if we go towards east. If we go eastward, the local time is advanced by 1 hour, and if we go westward, local time will be behind by 1 hour. Okay, that is, now listen. If we go towards east, this is east, we will plus, we will add. Okay, and if we go towards west, we will minus. Okay, this is the important that you remember. When we go towards east, we add. When we go towards west, we minus. Okay, then in this way we conclude that the places east of the Greenwich meridian face the sun earlier and gain time, whereas the places that lie to the west of the Greenwich meridian see the sun later and lose time. So over here one table is given: local time at New York 7:40 a.m., local time at London 12 noon, local time at India this much. When we go westward we lose time minus, when we go eastward we gain time, that is plus. Okay, the gain time means plus and lose time means minus. Okay, so this is the thing that you have to remember when you do sums. Then local time. The places located on the same longitude will have the same time, which is called the local time of all the places. That is, local time of this longitude will have the same. If over here it is morning, here will also be morning. Here will also be morning. If here is afternoon, here will be also afternoon. Here will be also afternoon. So wherever that place is located on the same longitude, it will have the same time. Local time is calculated by the shadow cast by the sun. Okay, in the morning, if you put a pen like this, you can see the shadow in which direction. Okay, so and the shadow will slowly decrease as the sun moves towards the noon. Okay, overhead, and again the shadow will increase as the sun will proceed towards the sunset, towards the western horizon. So local time is calculated by the shadow cast by the sun, that is the shortest at noon, that at 12 o'clock the shadow will be the shortest, very short, and longest at sunrise and sunset. You can see this, you go and stand in your terrace at the sunrise time, you will see a long shadow of yours. During the noon time at 12 o'clock you will see that your shadow is very short, and again at sunset if you go and stand, then again you will see the shadow will be very long. For example, when the prime meridian has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday. That is, all the places on a given meridian of the longitude have the same local time. Okay, so today we will discuss up to here. uh, Read the chapter, try to understand, and in the interaction class if you have any doubt you ask, I will explain again. Okay, till then, thank you, take care, bye.